97 Gravity, over to 96th Street, second Ave. Thanks for riding with us and making Bus City Traffic.
Wait. Wait.
I'm lost, I'm lost. I wander with purpose, though in disguise, my tired soul searches for the home I once knew. I long for the trees that are no longer here due to constant construction of these modern views. I find one flower covered in trash produced by these lives that never look back. I'm lost, I'm lost. I cry out for help, though everyone watches with no care for my pain, since it won't affect them. Little do they know I pollinate their flowers, and all they can do is leave their scraps on my home. Just leave me my tree where my family once lived, for this is all I know and is what I need to live. I'm lost, I'm lost. What have you done to my home? You are still learning that beauty blooms in the darkest of places. Like the flower whose roots grab hold of the soil deep underneath the ground. Yes, you will rise like the stem and open your petals to the sky. To be lost is nothing to fear. You are just spinning, gliding, flying into free fall. Waiting for the moment when your wings detach from your sides, catch the wind underneath their feathers like sails. Then you will learn to flow with the change of the breeze. Learn to find your rhythm in the wake of change with each flap, each shift, each breath. To be lost is nothing to fear, for everything that is lost is on the path to being found. And you, my darling, have wings.